Using text insights in Excel, you can quickly turn raw data into meaningful insights. So whether you're analysing your customers' feedback, survey response, or meeting notes, text insights really helps you identify those key themes and trends, making your data easier to understand and then act upon. So let me give you an example. I've got about 100 feedback responses, lots of information from customers, employees, and I want to just put this into some sort of report that helps me understand those themes and trends. So my prompt, help me analyze this customer feedback. I want to identify those themes and trends. And as quick as a flash, it's put together a bullet point list of some of the themes that it sees in the data. So things like positive onboarding experience. People talked about company culture and values, opportunities for growth and development. And it'll also point me towards some of the examples that it's got this information from. Negative onboarding experiences. So need to sort that out. And then support and resources. People appreciate the support for mentors, but mention there's some delays. You'll also see there's some suggested other prompts there, so we can keep adding to our questions, keep that conversation going. I asked it to confirm how many instances are there of certain comments, and it's come back and said there's 2 instances in this example. And then I can keep asking for more examples, and every time I click that more examples box, I get more and more prompts. So another great one to use is show a data insight. So this is one of the default prompts, so you could just type it in yourself. Now it's telling me here that in this information, the majority of the feedback is really positive and explains what it's talking about, but just give me a further breakdown. So positive onboarding experience, got 30 comments, 20 comments about culture and values. This indicates that while many employees are satisfied with the onboarding process and company culture, there are areas of improvement, and there are always. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, don't forget to check out our next tip. Until next time.
Welcome to the Copilot Cafe. Join Joe for a 10-minute stay. Learn new tips every day with demos that light the way.